Hello, classmates. My name is Monica Sharp, and I currently live in Wasilla, Alaska. Right now, I'm sitting at my workstation for doing my homework, also known as my kitchen table. I'm looking out I have a large glass sliding door into my backyard. I've got a lot of birch trees out there. We have tons of snow. We've got about 5 feet of snow out there right now. I would say in this program, my favorite class so far has been Microhuman Behavior and Social Environment. And although it was a really challenging class and heavy writing class, I really enjoyed delving into the cases and going over the psychosocial, emotional, spiritual aspects of all of the cases. And I really learned a lot in that class. I think for this class, my expectations are to learn advocacy strategies at the macro level, so within our communities, and also at the legislative level with policies that can really make some changes and impacts in social work practice. So I'm really actually excited most with this class about the community-based advocacy, being that I work for a tribe and I work a lot within the community that I live for the people. Some concerns that I have, I guess I'm a little bit intimidated about our upcoming advocacy campaign, but I'm sure that it's going to be a lot of fun and very informative once we get done with it. I plan to graduate here in the end of the month, or the end of May or April. And post-grad plans, I'm working for a tribe. And after graduation, I'm planning to work on a new grant that is focused on human trafficking, case management, intensive case management. So I'm really excited about that. And yeah, I hope you all have a great class, and nice to meet you.